Hi children, in previous class we discussed about participles, present participle and past participle, right? V4 and V3. See, today we are going to do an activity from workbook. I request you to open your workbook page number 7. Okay. See, in page number 7 you can see a table. Write the present and past participle form of the verbs. See, there are some verbs are given in the table. We have to write the present participle V4 and past participle V3. We have to fill it. Okay, let us fill. What is first one? Roll. Roll. Present participle rolling. Present participle rolling. We have to add ing for getting the present participle, right? Roll, rolling. Past participle we have to add ed, right? For most of the verbs we have to add ed to get the past participle, right? And the rules how to make present and past participle, already we have learned the ways to make present and past participle, right? According to that we have to write it. Okay. Rolled, rolling, rolled. And cook, cooking, cooked. Worry, worrying, worried. Hear, hearing, heard. And bore, boring, bored. Walk, walking, walked. And cry, crying, cried. Excite, exciting, excited. Shock, shocking, shocked. And marry, marrying, and married, married. Okay. Here for making or for forming present participle we have added ing along with the V1 verb. Right. Next, for making past participle we added ed along with the V1, and already we have learned the ways to form present and past participle, right? Okay, you have to fill these answers in workbook itself. I will send these answers along with this video and you have to fill it. And please turn over the page number 8. In page number 8 there is one more activity regarding participles. Let us see what is that. Use the correct form of the participle in the following sentences. Filling the blanks is there. We have to fill the correct participle form. V4 or V3, which is correct, we have to fill it. In bracket they have given the verb, we have to write the correct participle, present or past participle, we have to fill there. Okay, we read the sentence. I don't understand tennis. The rules are so dash. Confused is given in the bracket. We have to write the correct participle. Okay. Next, we was embarrassed when everyone commented on her dash late. Arrive is given in the bracket. We should fill it with the correct participle. For confused, V4 is means present participle is confusing. V3 past participle is confused. Which is correct, you have to fill there. Okay. Next, arrive. Arrived is past participle V3. Arriving is present participle. Okay. Next, moving house is very tired. Tiring and tired. Tiring is V4. Tired is V3. Okay, next. Reading a book is a very dash feeling for me. Relax is given in bracket. Relaxing is V4. Relaxed is V3. We are dash with our neighbors because they are very noisy. Annoy is given in the bracket. Annoying and annoyed. And my mother was dash to see me home so early. Surprise is given in the bracket. Surprising is V4 and surprised is V3. And the little girl was dash because of the darkness. Frightened is given in the bracket. Frightening is present participle V4 and frightened is past participle V3. Okay. Rope climbing was an dash activity. Exhaust is given in bracket. Exhausting is V4 present participle. Exhausted is V3 past participle. Okay, this is your today's homework. Okay, you have to fill the correct verb form in the correct verb form, and you have to fill this. And I have already told the V3 and V4 form of the verb which is given in the bracket. Okay, according to that you have to fill it. Correct participle form you have to fill. That is your today's homework, and these answers I will send along with this video, this table. Okay.